Welcome to this Inno Plus presentation. This presentation is instruction on the commissioning and maintenance of Polo, Porkers and Compo air scrubber systems produced by Inno Plus. Commissioning. The aim is to test and adjust the installation, to set up and start use, to train the user, to hand over the finished product to the client. Commissioning the chemical supply. Install the injector in the pressure line. Refer to the Chemical Dosing Systems Manual for more information. This shows how to connect the hose, how to install, how to fit the retaining pieces, and how to pump water through the injector system to test for leaks and that it works. We test the system with water as this is thinner than acid. It is also safe to handle. Connect the chemical dosing system and automatically at the end of the test check that the pH is automatically adjusted. Check the pump stops as it should and check the alarm sound is triggered when the system has been running too long. Remember to test the leak detection in the catch tray. Fitted to the end of the connecting lance is a one-way valve. This will prevent dripping when changing containers. For further support, please contact us.